Hi there, this is Chris Keller with musicgrid.com, and we're going to take a look at our Flickr widgets. So what we want to do is we want to put our Flickr widgets onto the page, but we need, on both of them, we will need an ID. So let's stick our Flickr widgets on the page, and we can see we need our Flickr ID here if we're going to use this, and our slider, let's put that on the page as well. And once again, you'll see that we need our Flickr ID. So how do we get that? Well, let's just remove these off the page a minute. And we see that the Flickr ID was a little number. Let's actually just pull this back on the page and we can see. So this is our Flickr ID here. It's a number with an @ symbol and some more characters after it. If we go to Flickr and take a look at, let's say, for instance, this person here, their photos. This could be yours. We have here our URL to the person, but we don't have that ID. Now, some people actually do have their ID in their name here, as you can see here, but many people's Flickr accounts are set up like this. So what we've done is built a little tool to help you with that. So I'm just going to copy this here, and then if we grab the Flickr ID grabber and just pop it on the page here. And I'm just going to go preview page in browser. We just select all that, paste in that URL, click find, and it will generate the ID. So now we've got our ID. Brilliant. Let's go back to our page. Let's remove that off the page. Now let's put our Flickr badge on the page, and we can put our ID into it. And it will go off and pull in our images. So if we now hit preview, we can see there's all the images from this particular user here. And let's take a look at what options we have. We can change the background color, we can change the text, and we have lots of different layouts for this particular badge. So we could stick this at the bottom of the page, or we could stick it to the side of the page, or wherever we wish. So that's how that particular unit works. Very simple, quite useful for showing our latest images. Let's take a look at the slider. Let's drag the slider onto the page, and again we're going to put our ID in here. We could put some tags in here if we wanted to look at specific tags, and then we can just rescale this to our page however we wish. And then if we take a look at this and let's preview the page in the browser, we can see that our slider opens up. Now, unlike some of the gallery tools within Muse, this particular widget doesn't rescale the images based on doesn't rescale the slider based on the size of the images or the images within the slider, but still it's a really good way of showing off your images in a slider. And that's how you use the Flickr widgets. Very simple, very easy to use in conjunction with the Flickr ID grabber. Thanks for watching.